On a hunger strike, and it's been more than a month that they are over here on a strike and still not being heard. Tell me, sir, today you just informed me that you all had met up with the CM, with the Chief Minister of Goa. So was this meeting arranged by his office, or was it something that you all had to do by yourself?
He was forced to meet us because we had gone first to the GM's college, which was in Fonda.
Yeah.
He has not entertained us over there. So we went to this Usgaon High Secondary. All people were standing, around 15 people were there standing from our employee side.
Okay.
And then he was forced by one of the MLAs to meet us.
Okay.
At that time, possibly he met us saying, what are your issues? Actually, before this we had been meeting him. We met him 2 times for the settlement. That time he had put a proposal from the company side saying 5 people are total 11 people are terminated, from which they are ready to take 11 people, but on one condition. We had to sign the apologize letter on which we are going to write that we are not going to repeat this again about the strike matter. And 5 people will be sitting in the office for 1 month and they will be put under inquiry. And after the inquiry they will see whether to make them on regular basis or should be terminated. So it's a kind of thing that these people, 11 people are targeting, means involving other people, and we are teaching them to go on strike.
Okay.
So this was the matter.
Yeah.
But we told, if that is so and so your demand, then we are not ready, and we came.
Okay.
And the very next day happened, this company people only damaged their vehicles and they have put a blame on us.
On you.
And CM is saying that we did it.
Okay.
So CM got a reason that we should not be taken.
Okay.
So on the other way, CM is taking all the side from, he is talking from their side, which we don't
know.
know.
No investigation has been done as to
nothing
who has done it, where were y'all, who did it, nothing. The CM has just taken it like y'all have done it because the company people have told them y'all have done it. Huh?
Yes.
No investigation has been carried out. Okay. Today you were telling me, what is your name? Anusha. Anusha, you also met up with the CM today. Okay. And what was it that he actually spoke about?
Actually, everyone knows that why we are here. Demands are something different, and what he spoke to us about the terminations. And terminations are done very late. Then after we are on strike. Maybe after 10 days, terminations were called out. But we were not interested to talk about terminations. We were more interested in talking about the demands. That's the reason why we were here. So he did not spoke a word about our demands, and he did not wanted to listen to us or listen to our demands at all.
Okay.
He just told us like I spoke to your company and they wanted he requested them to take us back, and the service should be started very soon, and everything was settled. But that was not the settlement. Settlement was like our demands were supposed to be fulfilled, and our demands are not any demands. I would not say they are the demands, but they are the basic requirements what every worker should every worker deserve. So one thing I want to say is there are few girls of ours who are sitting on the hunger strike for so many days, and Sir Alex Reginaldo, he had arranged for some toilets here, 2 toilets had been put, and after around 2-3 days, or maybe after 4 or 5 days, the toilets has been removed. I don't know the reason, and they removed by I don't want to mention anyone, but the toilets are being removed from here. So I really don't have anything to say over this. I have no words to comment on this, because girls are sitting here and toilets are being removed. The toilets which were donated by somebody else. I don't know why this is happening.
Can you tell me one more thing? You were informing me about the people of Goa having a wrong impression about you all. What is it that you feel the wrong impression is all about?
We came across many people in Fonda and Usgaon area where the people are under the impression that we are on strike, and that's the reason the vehicles are not in the service, and that's the reason why people are dying and service has not been provided.
So they are blaming you all for it.
Exactly. So I don't know why they are not trying to understand what are our demands. But like they feel like our demands are to increase our salary and to stabilize us and absorb us in the government.
But it is not that.
I really want to tell, exactly. This is not what we expect, or this is not what we are asking for. We are just sitting here for some very few minor demands. That is, we need the basic requirements. All the vehicles should come on the road, should be in the service. All 33 vehicles should come on roads.
Okay.
That's it.
So can you tell me one more thing? Under RTI, okay, under RTI, you all have asked for the contract between the company, that is JVK, and along with the government.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, according to this contract that has been signed by the government, is the company abiding by all the norms which have been put down by the government for handing over this contract to them?
No, yes, because there are 33 locations in Goa. In the memo also it is written that 33 locations should be working condition, and they should be provided with all the furnished ambulances, stations and offices. But where it is not stated.
On point 5, it is clearly mentioned over here on the contract that to provide furnished ambulances, ambulance station should be furnished. Okay, offices in what? Offices in segment headquarters. All right. So now, this is one of the demands which have not been met. Anyways, they are not following this. All right. Moreover, there are 31 vehicles which are supposed to be on the road. All right.
33.
There is 33 vehicles, out of which only
10 to 12.
Only 10 or 12 vehicles are on the road. But these company people are charging our government, which is us, our income taxpayers' money. They are charging for 33 vehicles, which works out to an amount of 5 crores per year. 5 crores of income taxpayers' money has been paid to these people, to this company, GVK, 5 crores a year. Okay, for an emergency thing which is meant for the people of Goa who are picked up from the streets, picked up from homes and taken not to any private hospital. They are taken to the government hospital.
By running only 10 vehicles.
Sorry? By running only 10 vehicles and charging for 33 vehicles. And that is the reason why our staff over here are on a strike, because the money is being eaten by all these, by the health department and by this company. Okay? And these people are not being given their dues and not been given their demands. As a matter of fact, the women are put in such areas where there is no toilet facilities, where there is no dressing rooms, where there is absolutely nothing. And they also want them to do a night shift. When all over India, women are not allowed to do a night shift. But in Goa, why? Because Goa you can do anything. People can come over here, walk all over Goans, okay? And our people who are sitting on big offices are smiling and happy because their pockets are filled. Now this has to stop. We have to start thinking about our Goans, because right now we are maybe a handful of Goans who are here right now. But believe me, if this is how it is going to go on, and if citizens of Goa are not going to be getting treated in our own homes in a proper manner, there is going to be the name Goa, but no Goans in it. So I feel that the people sitting, the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, should get his act together before we are going to be like monkeys for the tourist to come and see if there is any original Goans and where they are sitting. Thank you, Mr. CM. So now, what I want, I want